Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone XS Max and replace motherboard. To disassemble iPhone XS Max you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers, plastic mediator, opening plastic tool, section cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and replace the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near enlightened port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply section cup to the bottom edge of display and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book, the display opens to the right side. Next, using a tri-wheel screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Unscrew the 3 screws and remove the second metal panel. Disconnect 2 cables of the display and the sensor panel cable from the motherboard. Now you can remove the display. Unscrew 2 screws and remove metal bracket. Disconnect 2 cables from the motherboard. Removing the camera is not necessary. In this video I showed how to do it, but to remove the motherboard you need just to disconnect the 2 cables of camera. Unscrew 3 screws from the motherboard. Disconnect all cables from the motherboard. Using a flat screwdriver, unscrew 1 screw. Next, unplug 2 more cables. For this you can slightly raise the motherboard from the iPhone case. so it will be a little easier to get closer and disconnect these two cables. So, motherboard removed, now let's put it all back. Install motherboard into the iPhone case. Check all cables, they must be on top of the motherboard. Connect cables to the motherboard. Now securing the motherboard by screwing 3 screws. Set metal bracket and fasten screw. Now connect all cables to the motherboard, except for the battery cable. Install camera and connect two cables to the motherboard. Set the metal bracket and fasten two screws. Now you can install the display and test how phone works before final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. Connect 3 cables from the display module and only after that connect the battery cable to the motherboard. Turn on the iPhone and install the SIM card tray. Let's test how everything works, and if it works well, let's go to a final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. Remove the old adhesive tape from the iPhone case. After, using medicine alcohol, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take new adhesive tape and apply it to the case. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of iPhone. I left links where you can buy this adhesive tape in description. Of course, you can install the display without adhesive tape, but you will lose waterproof resistance. Connect 3 cables from the display to the motherboard. Set metal panel and fasten 3 screws. After, connect battery cable to the mainboard. Set metal panel and fasten 4 screws. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around perimeter. Fasten the 2 screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.